Hey guys, I know you're probably like me, so happy to see this beautiful weather. Spring is here, so it's time to do a little spring refreshing in your home. And I'm going to show you how I am going to do a little refresh by decorating a beautiful tree for Easter. And yes, doing it on a budget.
Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. I'm your lovely host here, Gigi FAISON, and I welcome you into my home once again. If you want to see how I created this masterpiece directly behind me, then keep watching. Grab your coffee or tea, or whatever it is that you're choosing to drink. Sit back, relax, and enjoy. I'm going to share with you how it's done.
So let's get started decorating this tree. I have this strand of garland with the jewel tone eggs. I'm going to place them around the tree, and it's so easy to install. Find you a starting point and then just wrap it and let it go. Easily done. The next item here is another strand of garland, and these have the floral pieces with a few eggs onto it. Another strand of the jewel tone eggs and garland. As you see here, I found me a starting point, and then I'm just going to go in and wrap these around. So guys, I'm going to leave you to music as I continue to decorate this tree, and then I will share with you what it looks like when it's all done.
to bring you in for a closer look and let you see how it all came together. Up top there, I've added one of those sparkling bunnies. And I think I picked this one up from Michael's, along with these bunches of flowers. Now I decided to just use the entire bunch of flowers versus individual ones. And you will notice, guys, if you buy the bunch, a lot of times it's a lot cheaper than buying them individually, especially when there is a 40 or 50% off sale. Now, some of these flowers I already had in my stash. These little greenery here with the little white tip. I got these from either Hobby Lobby or Michael's. I don't remember, but I do know that there was a great sale on them. So these are actually a new bunch here, and I just added that to make my topper. Now the way that my bunny is standing at the top, guys, and some of these things that you get in your packaging of your mail, if they look interesting to you and you feel like maybe I can do something with it, always save it. This is a little stand, it was inside of a box of lampshades that I purchased, and this is how they had it stabilized in the box. So if you will see here, this is the bottom, and it has a little stick that goes all the way up to the top. So all I did was add or placed my bunny on top of it and just kind of wind it up so that it will be stable. And that's how I created the topper with the bunches of flowers and the greenery. Then I decided to go in with these larger eggs. Now these larger eggs were originally $3 and something at Hobby Lobby to buy the eggs that were large. So I happened to see this garland of the larger eggs, so I decided to purchase the garland. I think it was $19.99 at 50% off. So I ended up paying $9 and whatever taxes for the garland, and all I did was cut these from the garland and place them individually throughout my tree. Another way of saving. Sometimes buying the garland is a lot cheaper than buying the individual pieces. Here are some of these little beautiful eggs. These are picks that I purchased from Michael's at their 50% off sale, maybe even with 60%. Don't quite remember. And then here is some more garland, and I just decided to use the garland that has the flowers, has some eggs, has some greenery, gives me more coverage than buying individual flowers. Here is another strand of garland, and these are the jewel tones. These were also purchased, I think, from Michael's. Here is some ribbon that I actually just decided to cut off of the roll and just tie them individually onto the tree, just for a little bit more glam and elegance here. These little umbrellas that has somewhat like the pearls on top, absolutely beautiful. These were from Michael's. And guys, I'm going for that luxury look, glam, elegance. Absolutely beautiful here. And just a way to save money. And see, this garland also has a few eggs on the garland. Just makes for a very beautiful and inexpensive way to decorate your tree, but have it looking absolutely stunning. So guys, I hope you have really enjoyed this video as how I put it all together. I thank you. Look at that. Just beautiful. All right, guys, you've seen how I've put this together, and I hope you have enjoyed the total and complete process of this. This is a masterpiece created on a budget. Everything was purchased either on sale or on clearance, and that's how I like to do it over here, creating something that is absolutely stunning on a budget. So I thank you guys so much. Hope you have enjoyed it. Go ahead and hit that like button. That's that thumbs up. Subscribe to the channel if you're new. I welcome you here. I love decorating my home and sharing it with you guys. And I love inviting you as a guest. I always welcome my guests to have a drink, coffee, tea, or whatever, and then just relax because I do all the work. So that's what I do here. I thank you so much for watching. Be blessed and take care. Until the next video, I will be sharing with you my full entranceway. On April the 10th, I will be in a front porch collaboration. I don't know if I'll be doing my front porch or my back porch, but if you want to see how it's done, make sure you hit that like button so you'll be notified any and every time there's a video created here. You do that by hitting the subscribe button and the all button so you don't miss out on anything. Love you guys. Be blessed. Until the next one, your host here.